Hello students. Today we are taking the new questions of the another chapter of biology. The next chapter is how do organisms reproduce? How do the organism reproduce? अब फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यहीं से राइज होता है, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय reproduction? या define a reproduction. Question number 1 is you have to write define reproduction. Next, how is the reproduction essentially or necessary? How is the reproduction necessary? And next question is how many types of reproduction? How many types of reproduction? Write the name. Write the name and explain. And the next question is why is sexual reproduction beneficial over asexual? Why is the sexual reproduction why has the sexual reproduction advantages over asexual reproduction? And the next question is differentiate between binary and multiple fission. Differentiate between the binary and multiple fission. Next question is you have to explain the both type of different fission process with the help of diagram. Clear? Next, what do you understand by budding? What do you understand by budding? Give example. Next, question number 7 is define spore formation, regeneration, fragmentation processes with example. And the next question is what do you understand by vegetative propagation? What do you understand by vegetative propagation and how many types of this? And how many types of vegetative reproduction or propagation? Question number 9. What are the advantages and disadvantages of vegetative propagation? What are the advantages and disadvantages of vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction? Question number 10 is define tissue culture. Define tissue culture. I think there is problem visual probability, so again I write it. Define tissue culture. Clear? The next question is, what do you understand by sexual reproduction? What do you understand by sexual reproduction? And the next question is, how many parts of a flower? How many parts of a flower? Show with the help of label diagram. Show all the parts with the help of a labeled diagram. Question number 13 is, what are the stamens and carpel? What are the stamen and carpel? Also represent with the diagram. Represent with the help of diagram. Question number 14. Differentiate between unisexual or hermaphrodite flower. Differentiate between unisexual और बाइसेक्सुअल भी कह सकते हैं उसको, hermaphrodite flowers. Give examples also. Give examples also. And the last question for today is, what do you understand by double fertilization? What do you understand by double fertilization? Represent it with the help of diagram. So these are the 15 question homework for today. You have to write all these questions answer in your notebook. Clear?